Certainly. Here are the detailed steps on how to view system notifications on Twitter using the Twitter app on your Android device. 1. Open the Twitter app. Launch the Twitter application on your Android device by tapping on its icon. 2. Access your profile. Look for your profile icon, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. 3. Navigate to Settings and Support. Once you tap on your profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, locate and tap on the option labeled Settings and Support. 4. Enter Settings and Privacy. After tapping on Settings and Support, you will be directed to a new screen. Look for and tap on Settings and Privacy to proceed further. 5. Select Notifications. Within the Settings and Privacy options, you will find Notifications. Tap on this option to view and manage your system notifications. By following these steps, opening the app, accessing your profile, navigating to Settings and Support, entering Settings and Privacy, and choosing Notifications, you can effectively view your system notifications on Twitter. This process allows you to stay informed about activities related to your Twitter account and adjust your notification preferences as needed. Thank you for your interest, and we hope this explanation helps you in accessing your system notifications on Twitter.